I hope that the people coming in here feel like they not only enter a living room of somebody, but also their memory, their brain. The corner projection opening the whole room, dissolving the architecture, but also functions as an abstract eye, where you see into the memory of the owner of the room. There's also the wallpaper called reversed eyelid, referring to the inner colors, the reversed colors when you close your eyelid. And like most in life, it's only a question of concentration. And if this exhibition can bring out the colors that people have when they close the eyes, that would be super.